This is the best hot chocolate recipe. It's also vegan, ready in 2 minutes, and actually good for you. We will start with a cup of plant milk. I prefer vanilla unsweetened almond milk for this recipe. Pour that into a microwave-safe mug. Then add a tablespoon of cacao powder. You could also use chocolate powder, but cacao powder is healthier for you. Mix that together. Now, it doesn't need to be perfect because when we microwave it, it'll dissolve much nicer. Then you're going to put that into the microwave for 30 seconds. When you take it out, you'll mix it quickly. You'll see that the cacao is already starting to dissolve. Put it in for another 30 seconds in the microwave, and once again, mix it. The cacao powder should be almost fully resolved. I usually do it a third time. I like my hot chocolate pretty warm. Then take it out, mix it again, and then you can add a quarter of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will give it sweetness without any sugar. And then if you'd like to sweeten it, you could add 1 to 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. I don't like it too sweet, so I usually only add 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Mix it together and you could be done. It is fantastic like this, but if you want to take it up a notch, I highly recommend sprinkling some Ceylon cinnamon on top. Really makes the flavors come together. So tell me, would you make this vegan, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, good for you hot chocolate recipe? Let me know in the comments below.